Shemai. We are Dynefra Orchardeers, an independent voluntary not-for-profit group who want to reconnect people with orchards and orcharding. We work closely with the National Trust, who have generously given us exclusive use of some buildings at Home Farm at Dynefra for our activities. We're part way through extending the 3-acre orchard next to the allotments at Home Farm and are looking for funds to complete this extension in a spiral pattern and to buy a press to process the fruit from this and other local orchards as a community resource and as an active green space. 2022 is the orchard's 10th birthday. We've been tending the orchard and hiring out processing equipment for 7 years, continuing the service started by the Tawi Afon Oesoedd project. We welcome anyone to come along to our weekly working sessions and our social sessions to help out with jobs such as planting, pruning, admiring and showing off and monitoring blossom dates, and yes, cutting grass as well. We often use scythes and enjoy the process together. And of course, one of the highlights for many is harvesting. In 2021, we harvested nearly 2 tons of apples, and this is set to increase considerably as the orchard matures. We offer apples to visitors and passers-by for a donation. There are 60 different varieties of apples and pears, and we like to highlight the names and tastes of these older and generally forgotten varieties. And this has proved to be extremely popular, with many people from Llandeilo and the surrounding area coming in to ask for specific varieties. All apples are weighed and entered into our apple store, where some are stored while waiting to be processed. And this is where the fun starts. This is our current press. It's a bit small for the quantities of fruit we're now harvesting and is often out on hire at the critical time. So we'd like to purchase a larger and speedier press. As you can see, our hands are full of apples right through from July to November. About 1/3 of the apples go to passers-by, and the other 2/3 are milled and pressed into juice. Our cider club meets monthly, and we share the whole process of cider making and, of course, tasting. Anyone can, and often does, join in with these activities. We also make apple juice for sale. In addition to the regular activities of orchard management, our working sessions often include more routine activities like cleaning and constructing. With the generous support of the Llandeilo greenhouse, we're currently building a dedicated juicing room so that we can register with the County Council as a food production premises. This will enable us to make juice to sell to the public from our own orchard and also as a service for other local apple and pear tree owners. We're great believers in sharing our passion with everyone, and in particular, younger generations. The children often come along at key times with their parents for working sessions, but we also like to host groups to help with harvesting and processing, and generally joining in and learning about the importance of safeguarding wildlife to help with pollination in order to produce crops. We're keen to do more of this work and also to go out into local schools. We run a range of workshops in aspects of orchard management. This is a tree pruning workshop. And we've organised a range of events, including an orchard open day in early autumn, and of course, the winter wassail. So this is the site of the orchard extension. We decided to plant the trees in a novel spiral pattern, a pattern found frequently in nature, with a small pond at the centre, so that visitors will be able to wander through the spiral, admiring the blossom in the spring, and also the fruit as it ripens in the summer and autumn. And here's a gang, some of the gang who have volunteered to help plant the trees. We're on the lookout for some of the more unusual trees from the locality and wider afield in Wales. Working closely with Applewise, a local fruit tree nursery, we're planning to graft some of these varieties this summer and hope to plant them out next autumn. We're looking for £2,245 to complete the planting and to purchase a new press and some aprons, and also train up volunteers in food handling. Helping this project on its way has many benefits for Llandeilo, extending an active green space in the town, increasing opportunities for folk of all ages to get involved, increasing opportunities for local youth groups and schools, increasing capacity to process the growing yield and enjoy the products, increasing opportunities to have fun. We're all believers in having fun, and increasing opportunities to learn about plants, pollinators, orcharding, cider making, and any other aspect of orcharding. It spreads the benefits of orchard management, not just in Llandeilo, but around the Tawi Valley. And also, we're hoping to extend the Museum of Old Varieties of apples and pears for future posterity and as a showcase. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.